In today's video, I will be showing you how you can get your YouTube 1000 subscriber within the space of 2 weeks if you can apply these strategies that I want to share with you. Within 2 weeks, you would have gotten your YouTube 1000 subscriber required by YouTube from you, and you know that is the first step of you getting monetized on YouTube. So all you need to do is to follow these strategies that I want to share with you, apply them correctly, and see within the first 1 week you've even gotten all your subscribers you need. Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of tuning in, you are welcome on board. In this channel, I create tools and tips of how to grow your YouTube channel successfully. Please do not forget to watch, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, you will be notified. So in these strategies, I'm going to take you into parts. It's going to be 2 parts, that is 2 steps. First step is to tell you how you can perform these strategies the right way, and the second step is to tell you what you need to do and what you don't need to do so that these strategies will work for you perfectly. If you go and do something else or do something wrong, these strategies may not work for you. But if you watch this video to the end and perform everything I ask you to do, you see within the space of 14 days you would have gotten your 1000 plus subscriber yet on YouTube. So to apply these strategies, you just need your mobile phone, either your Android phone or your iPhone or any other brand of phone that you have. Make sure that your phone is working very well. So the next thing you need to do is to go to either Apple Store or Play Store to download Instagram. We need Instagram for this to work very well. So I'll be leaving my screen recording either here or here. So watch it and follow the step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this in a very good way so that it will work for you. Any mistake from this, you will not see the 1000 subscribers that you are looking for.
Welcome to this side of the screen, and to begin with, we need to go to Apple Store to download an Instagram to our phone. You can use either iOS phone, that is iPhone, or Android phone, so depending on which one you want to use. For me, I'm using an iPhone to record this tutorial. So type Instagrams and then you click on it, you download it. I've already downloaded my own, so all I need is just to open it. So after opening my Instagram account, is either you create account with them or you log into an existing account that you have with them. So you can use either way to access your Instagram's feed. So all you need to do is to come to this search bar. You see this search bar? Come to this search bar, click on it. Then you will see a trending topic. We have varieties of topic, trending video that you can choose any of them for this tutorial. You can see this one. This one is funny too. You can select this one, but you can see this too. You can see Pele. So it depending on what you want. If you scroll down, you will see, wait for it to load, you will see a lot of trending video. This is what is trending right now. So you see a lot that you can post on your YouTube account that will draw attention. So those trending video that you know that it will draw attention to your channel, that is the kind of video that you need to download. So let's select one. Let's see if we see anyone that will draw attention and use it. Let me see. I'm still searching, though. You can use anyone. Then for me, I would like to try this. I would love to try this because people love dance and celebrity stuff. So what I will do, let me use this video as an example. So I click on this video. So all I need to do is to locate the link of this video. To locate the link, I will click this. You see this arrow? Just click on it. It will bring you a drop down that you select. You will copy the link. This is it. You come here and you copy this link. After copying it, so you need to go to and download instant saver. So there are a lot of saver that you can use. Let me go to Chrome and search for anyone that is available. Let me look. I come to the search bar. I type instant Instagram saver. As you can see, it's here already. I click on it. It will open. If you like, you can go to your app or Play Store or Apple Store to download it. I'm not downloading on this. I can easily do it here. Let me use this save instant and download this video. So I click on it. So all I need to do, you remember the link that I copied from Instagram? So what I need to do is to come here. There is a lot of ad here because it's a free version, free things. I will come to this space that you're seeing, and I paste it, and I will paste my link. I've pasted the link, so I will download it. So the purpose of using instant to download is for this not to have a water mark. So I don't want to have some logo that will affect this video. So I don't want to have it. So you can see the video is here. You can either download the thumbnail if you like, or you download the video. So my own interest is to download the video. So I'll click on downloading. So I'll click on downloading and wait for the app to finish. Then I click on save. Where did I want to save this video? Okay, I'll save to file first. So I'll wait for it to download. It has downloaded. So let me open this video. I click on open. So this place I have the option of sending the video to my WhatsApp and save it, or anyhow. So just come down here and click this open download. This, if it's Android, it's more easier, but iPhone, a lot of fame that you pass through, a lot of drama before you save video from that. So this is the video. So I click on the video. As you can see, the video is ready. So all I need to do is to click on the video, come to this place and click it again because I want to save it to my phone. Then I will scroll up. You will see this option of save video. So I save it. So the video I've saved to my gallery. So let's go and look for the video. This is my gallery. I click on my gallery. So after clicking on my gallery, then I will come and open the video. You can see the video is playing already. So after clicking on my gallery, I can come here and check out the video. This is the video already. So the step 1, we have completed the step 1. The step 2 is the next thing that we are going to do is to take this video and go and upload it on YouTube. But there is a process you must follow. If it's failure for you, audience, to follow this process, you will fall a victims, and this video will not give you what you want. So this is the part 2 of this video, and in this part, this is where the real work is. So I want you to pay attention on every bit of what I have to say here. And the next thing you are going to do, we are going to take that video that we downloaded from Instagram and go to YouTube and upload it. So we are going to make that video to be our video. We are going to add value to that video so that we will not go against YouTube community guideline. So to do this, we need to go to our YouTube app. This is my YouTube app. Click on it, wait for it to load. Come to this plug sign, click on it, then come to the gallery, click on the gallery and import this video we downloaded from Instagram. So after clicking on it, we need to edit this video. So yes, we need to edit it and make it like less than this 1 minute, because this video is 1 minute 40 seconds. So we'll make it like 50, I think 55 seconds is okay for this. So okay. So we click on OK. Then we pause this video. So we'll pause this video because this is where the real work come into. This is where we want to add value to this video. So whatever we are doing here, we have to be intentional and be careful of what we are doing. So in this place, you see this music icon. Click on this music icon, then wait for it to load. You have option to use any of this music. YouTube has made it available for us to use for free. So let's use this first one and click on this first one. Sign, and it will take you. Then pause the music again so that it will not affect the output of this video. So the next thing you need to do is to come to this volume place, click on this speaker. We have two options here, your audio and the audio we just imported. So we need to you see these two audio, we need to reduce this first one to 0. then increase this one to 100%. Then after that, so that we'll have only this one we just added from YouTube to play instead of this one we downloaded from Instagram. So that, post it again so that it will not affect your output. Always take note whenever you are doing this, unless your video will not be okay. So we need to add another value to this video. So what we need to do next is to come to this place and click this place, and in this place we have option to write a word or add value to this. To do that, let me use this, let me write beautiful couple. So I'm adding value to this. After that, drag this thing upward. Make sure you always pause it after you have done one edit. Then if I know, let me show you one thing. Let me edit this thing that I wrote. I click on edit. So I have the option. You come to this place, I have the option to play with it. You can play with it to your satisfaction. So you can play with it. I think I like this one. Then this place you can add color, you can change the color. Why this place you can that is if you want to put it on the left side or on the right side or the center is okay. This place you are seeing is to what adjust the capture to your choice. So I think it's okay here. Then it's okay. So I think that one is done. So you come to this place, you can add a voiceover if you like. If you not like, if you want to reduce the volume of the song and add your own voiceover, it's very beautiful because you can add value to it. This place you can add sticker. So it depends, just play with it to your own taste. After that, you click on next. So after next, you wait for it to process, because YouTube is all about processing. Yes, I think our video is almost ready to be published. So you come to this pencil icon. This is where you add your thumbnail. YouTube has given us an option to add a thumbnail to a video. So in this place, you come to this down and select where you want it to be. I think I'm okay here. You can play with them the way you like. Any place you like, you can drop it there. Okay, I think let me use this place like this. I think this place is it can draw audience to it. Then you press this mark button. Okay, then you come down here to edit normally as if you are uploading video. So related video, author content, you change it to no, we are not using AI. You on your comment. Then any other one, you come to this visibility. Forget about public, unlist and private. Just come to schedule. Then pick the date you want your video to play, because since you want to have a subscriber within a week or less than 2 weeks to get a 1,000 subscriber, always upload within that the same day, the same minute you just finish editing your video. Just upload. You click on it, then you select the time you want, then you select, make sure you put it on PM or AM. Be very observant of that place. I don't want to upload this video because I don't need it. It's you that need it. So you can come here and hit upload. So once you upload this video, it will upload to your YouTube channel, and you see that this video will be getting view and subscriber. In fact, this thing work like magic. It is very reliable. I'm telling you, because it's what I've experienced. So it works a lot. But what I want you to know is that after uploading this video, make sure that you upload 5 video or more. If you can do more than 5 video a day, make sure you do that. So all you need to do, just go to Instagram, download, work on it and upload. So after you might have gotten your 1,000 subscribers, either you unlist the video or you delete the video, then you start posting your content. Make sure that you have prepared your content done. Make sure that you have enough content done already, and start uploading your content every day. And it will first of all, because you are changing it, don't look as you are changing in it will first of all delay your audience, because you have posting different things entirely. With time, they will get used to it and you start getting watch hour. So after you might have completed this one, the next thing to do is to work on your watch hour, because to get 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube with this method, it is certain, and I know that you will get it less than 2 weeks or less than 1 week. So it depends. You can even get it before 1 week. You have gotten your 1,000 subscribers. This is a magic, and if you follow this method, it works very well. And thank you for watching the video. And if you are a new subscriber, or if you like what we are doing here, please leave us a comment. Let us know how we can improve on our video, and like this video, then turn on your notification bell so whenever we post, you will be notified. You don't know if our next video will be the one that will be of help to you. So I appreciate you for watching this video, and I want to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.